Hello PHILO-notes friends! Welcome back for another whiteboard discussion. In the succeeding whiteboard editions, I will be discussing briefly the common types of informal fallacies. But before I start discussing these types of fallacious arguments, let us first briefly define the term fallacy. A fallacy is generally understood as a kind of error in reasoning. Both deductive and inductive arguments can be fallacious, and some fallacious arguments are detectable by an examination of the form of the argument. Hence, they are called formal fallacies. The techniques that logicians used in determining the validity of arguments in traditional and symbolic logic, such as the 8 rules of syllogism and the truth table and partial truth table methods, enable them to recognize inconsistencies or errors in reasoning. These are called formal fallacies. All other types of fallacies are called informal fallacies, and they can be detected by an examination of the content of the argument itself. Logicians have distinguished many types of informal fallacies, although they have by no means agreed on uniform classifications. Nevertheless, certain common types are recognized fairly universally, and these are the ones being investigated in our series of whiteboard discussions. Logicians have identified hundreds of types of fallacies, but we will only present here some of the common types of these fallacies. These include the following: appeal to authority, argumentum ad verecondiam; appeal to people, argumentum ad populum; appeal to force, argumentum ad baculum; appeal to pity, argumentum ad misericordiam; appeal to ignorance, argumentum ad ignorantiam; argument against the man or person, argumentum ad hominem; false cause, slippery slope, either-or fallacy or false dichotomy, fallacy of equivocation, hasty generalization, fallacy of composition, fallacy of division, false analogy, begging the question, straw man argument, red herring, fallacy of inconsistency, tu quoque or appeal to hypocrisy or inconsistency, and non sequitur or it does not follow. I will succinctly discuss each of these types of fallacious arguments in the succeeding whiteboard editions. Please note that some of the examples used in the discussions are taken from Robert M. Johnson's book titled A Logic Book, Fundamentals of Reasoning, published by Wadsworth in 1999. That's it for now. Thanks for visiting us today for another whiteboard discussion here at PHILO-notes. Full transcript of this video is available at PHILO-notes.com. And to keep you updated of our newest videos, simply click here and subscribe, and tap the bell for notifications. Thanks! Take care!